teacher is so strict, he will be scolding us, so let us do the maths. Okay, that comes to your mind. Right? Accordingly, 2 or 3 subjects might be done, but all the subjects, what has been taught during that day, you will not be done. Apart from that, you will be looking at the watch. What is the time now? Till 9 o'clock my time is there. I will be following religiously the time. 9 o'clock means 9 o'clock. Not a single minute more than 9 o'clock I will continue my study. Complete it, finish it up, whether my work is done or not. 9 o'clock. Okay, finish. I am a very punctual person. Whether my study completes or not, 9 o'clock I should stop my study. You think like that and you are following that formula. Yes or no? But that's not real. But in case of, if I say today you are allowed to play PUBG for how many hours you want, go on playing. 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, it might be 12 o'clock also in the night, but still you will be not willing to stop. Today my exam is over, my dad, mom, you are so beautiful, you are so good, you are so wonderful man, you are my superhero. You say all these things in your life and you go on doing, playing and playing. Now I'm giving you the technique is that at least you know what you need to do now. Your table is now ready and the table is welcoming you. What to do, what not to do. The books are displayed there. Books and notebook on the left hand side and the right hand side. You need to just go and just freshen up, take a cup of milk or a tea, snacks. Then your table is ready. The table is welcoming you. What to do? Please complete me first. English is saying, complete this 5 answers today has been given to you. Just complete it today itself. By heart it, understand it, memorize it, cram it, complete it. After that, do the other exercise, keep it inside your bag or the other place. Second, biology. Biology, sorry, it was at the left hand side. Second, maths. Maths completed. Then, the subject which is important for you, you need to complete this. Complete this very important part. Then you will not be worried about what the time is saying. Let it do his own duty. You do your own duty. But we are concerned about his duty. Right? We are concerned about his duty. It is 9 o'clock, so better complete my study right now. Now you will not be concerned about his work. If it happens that very important subject has completed, you take a break. At least after 1.5 hours. You need to take a break. Not before that. Not before 1.5 hours. But we take break after break, break after break, break after break, so that it becomes 9 o'clock. Right? We take break so that it becomes 9 o'clock. Now it will not happen. I am assuring you, this will not happen. Because now your concentration is to just complete your work activities daily basis of work. Why I am telling you? Because in every other kind of activity you do that. Daily basis of work, daily. Because suppose an example, I am giving you. You people love example, I know that. Right? Today, morning, all of you have taken breakfast, you know? Yes. What have you taken? Roti, rice, something? Right? Okay. Whatever you have taken, you have taken something? Okay. I will do a magic. Okay. Second, what you have done? Today, after going from this session, what you are going to do? Lunch. Right? Rice, roti, something like that. Whatever you like to take it. Evening again, you are going to take something? Dinner? Yes or no? So, 3 plates. Suppose consider 3 plates of rice. In a day, you are going to take how many plates? Your parents will also force you. And sometimes even if they don't force you, you take by yourself. Nowadays you are grown up. When you were small, your parents used to force. Now you need not be forced. For that purpose at least. You love eating food nowadays. Very good. Apart from the fast food. You don't love that. I know that. Okay. Then what will happen? One day, 3. Suppose 3 plates. Today you will say, Mom, can I do a magic? Can I plan a formula? What I will be doing is that every day I am feeling bored of taking my breakfast, lunch, dinner. I will be taking it in a wholesale basis. today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, 7 days food I will take together one day. Okay? Because every day it is a time consuming work, it is disturbing my time, it is actually distracting my concentration from studies. So I will not take food every day, I will take it once in a week. The entire food, what was supposed to be taken daily basis, I will take in only one day. That means 21 plates of rice I will be taking on Sunday, holiday, sitting in front of like Pokaku. Now say me, will it be possible? Can it be taken? No. This stomach can it accommodate 21 plates of rice? All of you agree with that? Yes. All of you agree with that? Yes. What should be done? It should be taken on daily basis or wholesale basis? Retail basis or wholesale basis? Retail basis. But why not about studies? But in case of study, we are doing the same, the wholesale process. Only before exam, we study more. Right? Till night 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, somebody will not sleep even. Please, during exam time, in front of the, when the bell has rung, you are in front of the door, near the door, against your peeping. My goodness, now you are so serious. But when there was a time, you didn't utilize the time. You didn't take the retail formula. You have applied the wholesale formula, and as a result of this, brain also cannot take, like your stomach cannot take food for 21 plates in a single time. Your brain also cannot accommodate so many things together. If you are studying for whole 3 months, study materials in single night or 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, something like that. This fact, now you understood? So what you need to do is that daily basis, daily what has been taught in the classroom, you just come and review, then you read. Read means the second formula. Here, self-study. Apart from your tuition time, apart from your other activity time, you just keep your self-study time. How many hours you can keep it for yourself, that is up to you, because this time is your time. If this formula is being applied, if it been adopted, no parents, no mom, no dad will be saying you study. You will be not listening that now. Apart from that, you will be listening is that Kuntu Azile Kobo. Kuaniki, Kubulan Kusya. Madani, Chua. Then again you will be believed. I am not completed, man. I have not completed my work. Again you are saying me to sleep. You go and sleep, please. Let me complete my work. That will happen to you. Do you want this transformation? Yes or no? Yes. Do you want this transformation, the life-changing transformation? When your parents will be saying, Baba tu, Azil ho. Yes? Do you want to have this formula in your life? Yes. If you want to have this formula in your life, you will be enjoying your life. In my life story again I am saying now. A day came, I love watching movies. That time I have learned from that boy who was a class topper. I learned from him. At that time one film was the super hit, Hum. Amitabh Bachchan was there. Hum. And that Friday the movie will be gone. The Hum was there for 2 or 3 weeks. The next day was the subject civics. We had civics or civics. It's like social science. Civics. And Sir has declared that if you want to watch this movie, today is the last day, and tomorrow you have the exam, mind it also. But I am giving an opportunity. If you want to watch that movie, I have a condition. The condition is that by 12 o'clock we will be completing our that day exam, and this is the final exam. And by 3 o'clock you need to give me the test of those subjects. I will take a test. Our sir has said, if you people can complete your target, you are ready. If it is observed, subject is ready, then we will allow you to go to the movie together. Oh my God, what a good offer we are getting now. We were not worried. Because that subject has been already completed long days back. During exam time, we need to just do the revision. Well, only what was left to do is revision once, at least. One revision is enough for us because already everyday basis we have done that formula. We applied that formula on written basis and the subject was clear to us. Only the time was required is that just revise it for some moment of time. We did it. And before 3 o'clock, by 2 o'clock, we both of us went. Because by that time, I was also now one of the best boy in the class. I was within top 10, then top 5. But I couldn't beat him, no doubt. But still, a person with 3 red marks in 3 different subjects, math, science, social, then I now got converted into got enlisted into the top 10, then top 5. You see the transition, it happened, and now the exam was there, we were not worried about. This subject is already easy to us. We accepted the challenge. We passed the test, and evening we went to the movie, came back, slept, mornings, just revised, and went to the exam. And we enjoyed the exam also. But how did that happen? Only because of this formula. This happened. This transformation happened in my life, and from that time, whenever I was teaching students, whenever I was coming in contact with students like you, I have been sharing this formula. And those who have been implementing this formula, they are all successful. Now the choice is yours. Where you want to be. Where you want to be means you want to clap for others or you want yourself to be clapped by others. The choice is yours. I cannot impose you. And I don't like imposing anything. It is up to you. Now, if you want success in your life, you will follow this. If you don't want success in your life, be as you like. Right? How are you all doing now? Are you all okay? Yes! Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!